Okay, just a quick operation about the clock. The pendulum hangs from a little hook right behind the dial. Just reach up behind it and just hang it on the loop. Easier said than done. Sometimes it's easier to lay it down. There we go. So it hangs right there. It's an 8-day clock, so you're going to wind it once a week. The right-hand side is the time, and it winds counterclockwise. Just wind it until it feels full to you. You're better off underwinding it than overwinding it and breaking the mainspring. It's the one thing I don't cover in the warranty of broken mainsprings. The left-hand side is the strike side. That winds clockwise. Again, just wind it till it feels full to you. Setting the hands clockwise as you approach the half hour, allow it to preset and then let it strike. And then move on to the hour. Okay, if the hands get out of sync with the strike, you can correct that by taking the minute hand and going backwards till you hear it go click, and then come forward. That'll advance it by 1/2 hour. Keep doing that. A little competition from another clock. Keep doing that until the hands line up with the strike. You can also move the hour hand, which is sometimes quicker, to the hour it just struck, and then go ahead and move forward to the correct time. So again, slowing down and stopping at the half hour and the hour. Starting the clock, simply that. It does need to be on a level, stable surface. The clock has been keeping very good time, but if you do need to adjust the timing, that's done on the pendulum. There's a little nut at the bottom. By raising this up on the shaft will make it run faster, lower is slower. Small increments, maybe half a turn at a time until you sync it up to the correct time. And that's pretty much it. It's a very easy clock to run. You can certainly give me a call if you have any questions. The number here at the shop is 508-429-1000. Thank you.